Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G86 Power, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications twice, click on the power button, and from the boot options, hold power off. As you can see, this changes into reboot to safe mode, so we're gonna click on OK. This will initiate a reboot, and when the device boots back up, it automatically enters safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device will be able to start it up. And as you can see, the device is back on. We are in safe mode, and in a second you'll see most likely grayed out applications. Yep, like these ones. So these apps will not run in safe mode, and an entire basically page on the second page. So if you try to even open them up, it gives you this message: downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Now once you're done with safe mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you would need to do is hold your, I believe it's power button, volume up, yep. And from the boot options, just select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically would enter normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.